What's up, Bertini fam? Now in today's video, I'm going to be replacing out this chrome Beltline with this beautiful black Beltline kit that I got directly from Mini. Now this is a super simple modification. The whole process of removing the Beltline and installing the new one probably will take me about 5 to 10 minutes. It is a really simple thing, and it's going to make a big difference in the appearance from what I've seen online with pictures. Now before we jump into today's video, do me a big favor. If you have not yet clicked that subscribe button, go ahead and click that subscribe button right now. This way you can stay up to date on the Mini Cooper build series, all the other build series that I have going on right now, and of course you could join the Bertini family. With that being said, go ahead and roll the intro. Now these old chrome pieces, these things literally just pop off, so you just got to give it some pressure and these things will come right off, and so there's nothing really to them. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these pieces first, and then we'll go ahead and put on the new ones. All right, well, the front belt line is now done, and it came out looking really nice.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
I'm really impressed with it. I'm excited to finish it off. If you see the contrast here between the black and the chrome, it just really makes the top look like almost like one piece. So it's really nice. It's really simple. It really cleans up the look and doesn't have like this breakup between here and here, which is nice. All right, well, let's go ahead and finish off the doors, the sides, and then work our way around to the back. All right, both side doors are done now, and it is flowing really nicely from here to here. You're starting to see the transformation happen. Now we got to remove these on the rear on both sides and then do the back, and we are done. Now, I don't know if you can tell in video, but there was a bunch of dirt in here, and while I used the spray to kind of get some of that dirt out, and once again, I know this is not a big deal. I know that for most people, they don't care. They're just gonna put the cap back on, but I don't really like to do things that way. So I have a steamer right here. I'll put a link in the description box below where you can get this from. but this little thing is awesome. I'm heating it up right now. I'm letting it go through its settings. It's pretty simple. Just put water in there, change how hot or how strong you want it, and then it heats up and does its thing, and that will help me get to all the cracks and crevices in this thing that I need to do in order to get this dirt out of here. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, well, now that the plastics look brand spanking new, now we can go ahead and put on our trim. All right, now we'll go ahead and repeat this process on the other side. All right, and for the final one, it is just the one here on the back rear, and this should be pretty simple, probably even easier than these sides. So I finally finished it up and it came out super nice. If you look at it now from this angle, it definitely looks in two parts, which is nice because it's like the whole top just has that black look to it. It's like super sleek. And then obviously it fades down into that, or not fades down, but breaks down into that white, silver, metallic paint. It looks really, really, really good. Something I am looking forward to changing those soon, because I feel like it still really needs it, is getting rid of these chrome door handles and the chrome gas cap and getting those also in piano black, because I feel like it'll really add to the aesthetic. The other thing is blacking out all my badging as well as all my lighting. I feel like that's gonna really take it to the next level, and of course that'll be in an upcoming video super soon. So make sure, if you haven't yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, you go ahead and do that now, so you can stay up to date on all these things we're going to be doing. And that's just like the mild stuff. There's going to be a lot more crazy things that are going to be going on this vehicle, including new wheels, suspension, and of course doing a crazy exhaust setup, something that I haven't seen anybody do before. I'm just going to go completely wild with it, so you're going to want to stay tuned in for that video. And then for those of you who don't know, I'm going to be doing an insane body kit on this thing. You're definitely going to want to stay tuned in to see how that turns out. Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You're going to want to stay tuned in once again in the next video. The whole goal with this Mini is to really give it that mean, aggressive Mini vibe. I also want it to have a little bit of a JDM vibe to it. I come from the JDM world originally, and so I am going to give it a little bit of a JDM twist to it as well. Also, I want to tell you all who have subscribed to my YouTube channel, who like my content, who comment down below, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I appreciate you becoming a part of this family and showing your love and support to me. I get excited every single time you guys comment. I get excited every time you guys share my posts. I get excited every time you guys like my content. I also love all of the positive energy you all put out there when you do stuff like that. With that being said, make sure you're putting good energy out there into the world and you're paying it forward. I'll check y'all out later. Bye now.